Have you ever logged into your Wealthsimple account, ready to make a trade or grab some cash, only to find a discrepancy between your total balance and your available balance? It can be a confusing situation, leaving you wondering, where'd my money go? Fear not, fellow investors. This isn't some conspiracy by Wealthsimple to hoard your hard-earned cash. There are actually a few very reasonable explanations behind why some of your funds might be temporarily unavailable. Let's dive into the most common reasons why Wealthsimple might be holding onto a portion of your money. 1. Settlement periods, not instant magic. Imagine this: you see an incredible opportunity in the market and decide to buy a stock. You hit that purchase button, feeling like an investing genius. But wait. The reality of the trade world is that buying and selling securities isn't instantaneous. There's a behind-the-scenes process called settlement that ensures everything is squared away financially. Wealthsimple needs to wait for the trade to settle before the funds from the sale or the newly purchased shares show up in your available balance. This settlement period typically takes 1 business day. So, that initial excitement of hitting buy might be tempered by a short wait until you can use those funds again. 2. Fresh deposits need to breathe. Just deposited some extra cash into your Wealthsimple account to fuel your investing journey? While you might be chomping at the bit to put that money to work, there's another hurdle to jump: a 5 business day waiting period. Wealthsimple needs some time to verify the deposit from your bank before crediting it to your available balance. Think of it as a security measure to ensure everything is legit before letting loose the investing hounds. 3. Selling assets. Patience is a virtue. Selling a stock might seem like a quick way to free up some cash, but again, settlement comes into play. Once you sell a security, Wealthsimple needs to sell those shares on the market and receive the funds before they can credit your account. This, like buying, has a 1 business day settlement period. So, that money you thought would be readily available might be tied up for a short while. 4. Account transfers, a temporary shuffle. Moving money between your Wealthsimple accounts, like going from a trade account to a cash account? There might be a brief period where the funds aren't reflected in your available balance. Again, this is due to the pesky settlement process. It typically takes 5 business days for transfers between Wealthsimple accounts to finalize. 5. Reserved funds, keeping things organized. Wealthsimple might occasionally reserve a portion of your available balance for things like upcoming fees or scheduled transfers. This ensures a smooth operation and avoids any unexpected snags. Don't worry, these reserved funds will become available again once the purpose is fulfilled. Remember, transparency is key. If you're ever unsure why some of your funds are unavailable, Wealthsimple has a wealth of information, pun intended, available on their website. You can find detailed breakdowns of settlement periods, transfer times, and anything else that might be causing a temporary hold on your money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.